Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to set your default shopping address in the SHEIN app on your Android phone. This is important to make your checkout process faster and easier. So, whether you're a new user or want to update your address, this video will guide you. First, open the SHEIN app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap on the Me icon at the bottom. Then, tap on the Settings icon at the top right corner. After that, select Address Book from the list of options. Now tap on Add a shopping address to enter a new address. Carefully fill in your full name, phone number, and complete address details. Once you've entered everything correctly, make sure to toggle the option Make Default to set this as your primary address. Finally, click on Save to confirm your new default address. And that's how easy it is to set your default shipping address in the SHEIN app. Doing this saves time and ensures your orders are delivered to the right place every time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this helpful.